A new software update has just rolled out for the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion. This is the monthly security patch update, and once installed, your phone will be upgraded to the July security patch. The update size is 75.79 MB. In this video, I'll also tell you whether I faced any issues after installing this update, and I'll show you the Geekbench scores of my device before and after, so make sure you watch till the end. This phone has been performing really well so far even after multiple updates, unlike some previous Edge series models where people reported motherboard issues. I have been getting a lot of questions about the battery backup, camera changes, and whether I have faced any motherboard problems on this model. And to answer that clearly, no, I haven't faced any such issues. I also saw comments about camera issues. The device I'm using is working perfectly fine, guys. If I face any such issues, I'll update you for sure. I'll also test this mobile phone once again by the end of this year across all departments to check and see how well it holds up. So if you don't want to miss those videos, click the subscribe button and the bell icon beside it. Now, coming back to the update, it took around 10 minutes to install. After the update, I used the phone for a few days, and so far everything has been working completely normal. No issues at all. You won't notice any major changes after installing this update on your mobile phone. Here are the CPU and GPU scores before and after the update. Yes, you also go ahead and check yours and let me know in the comments how your mobile phone scores compared to this. Just keep in mind, the scores may not match exactly on your device. Yes, that's true. They can vary from phone to phone depending on the background apps, temperature of your mobile phone, and so many other factors. So just treat these as a information. Also, don't forget to share your mobile update review in the comments like you usually do. It really helps others watching this video lately to make an ideal informed decision. Thanks in advance for that. Check the description box for more related videos and other helpful links of this mobile phone. I'll see you again in the next video, guys.